Ozark style seasoning, chicken fillets, pomegranate seeds, balsamic vinegar. Oh yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Food Revolution with me, Chef Archie Pie. Today I'm making the most amazing restaurant standard chicken dish. It's all from one pan, it's quite quick, it's very straightforward, only a small list of ingredients, and I'm using a Penzeys Ozark Seasoning spice mix to make it with. Makes it very, very exciting indeed. Penzeys spices are huge in America, and we're going to be running through exactly what's in the Penzeys spice mix very, very shortly. So before we take a look at the ingredient list, I want to show you how I've bashed out my chicken breast fillets. There's two ways of making them much thinner, easier to cook. First of all, you can take the chicken breast fillet and split it in half, starting at the thick end of the chicken breast fillet, and then you've got a lovely heart-shaped fillet. You can cut that in half or leave it whole, or you can do what I've done. You can bash the chicken fillet out in a Ziploc bag with your little food hammer. Now, if you do this, try and bash it out as equally as possible, not too heavy. That way it should stay a nice thickness to cook. So let's check out the ingredients, shall we? I'm going to need some garlic chives to sprinkle, some sun-dried tomatoes, some pomegranate seeds, some butter and olive oil, the amazing Penzeys Ozark Seasoning, and right in the middle there you'll see a Kilner jar. That's full of pomegranate and balsamic dressing. We're going to use that to glaze and to dress the chicken dish right at the end. It's amazing. I'm going to leave a link to the dressing below in the description. If you just click on more, you'll get it. Okay then, let's address the Penzeys Ozark Seasoning. Thanks to my subscriber and dear friend Dawn in Wisconsin for sending me this. So let's have a little look at exactly what's in our Ozark style seasoning. We've got salt first, followed by Telly cherry black pepper, garlic, thyme, sage, paprika, mustard, anchovies, celery, cayenne, dillweed and dill seed, caraway, allspice, ginger, cardamom, bay leaf, mace, cassia, savoury and cloves. What a spectacular list of ingredients, all those different herbs and spices. I promise you it's worth investing in a Penzeys spice. Okay, let's crack on with our preparation, shall we? I'm going to spread out my flattened chicken pieces. Mine are about 1/2 to 3/4 inch thickness. Once they're spread out on my plate, I'm going to generously sprinkle my amazing Penzeys Ozark Seasoning over the chicken, not leaving a centimetre uncovered. Once they're completely covered, I'm just going to gently massage that spice mix into the chicken pieces. This is a better way than doing it both sides. Generously do one side and then massage the seasoning into the chicken, into a plastic bag. And don't forget to get all the seasoning off that plate. Thank you, well done. Tie a knot in it, overnight in the fridge or at least 8 hours. And then we're going to start cooking. A little bit of olive oil in the pan, followed by a knob of butter. Wait till it's sizzling and start cooking the chicken. Now don't overcrowd the pan, because as soon as we put too much in the pan, the whole cooking efficiency goes down. Just a few pieces, and we're going to cook the chicken fillets about 2 minutes each side, which is perfect for the thickness that we've done them. And as I'll repeat again, the thickness is 1/2 to 3/4 inch. Once we've given them around 2 minutes each side, we need to then transfer them to another plate, because we're going to cook the second batch. Obviously this depends on the size of your frying pan, you can make that judgment. So in goes the second batch, another 2 minutes each side, and all the chicken breast pieces are cooked. And we've been cooking this over a medium to a high flame, by the way. So let's get all the chicken back in the pan and let's start creating the dish, or the final stages. And don't drop, oh my God, he's dropped the blooming sun-dried tomato pot in the pan, for God's sake. Spread the sun-dried tomatoes out and let's sprinkle some pomegranate seeds in. And now we're going to just drizzle the fabulous balsamic olive oil, garlic, pomegranate dressing over. And we're going to give it about 60 to 90 seconds in the pan just to come to the boil, And that's it, it's ready. Let's look at that. It's beautiful. It's a restaurant standard dish. Let's make no bones about it. This is as good as any restaurant you will eat this. Absolutely spectacular. Let's serve it on the plate. Let's drizzle a few extra pomegranate seeds on top, followed by that wonderful dressing just to make it look pretty. A little garlic chive sprinkle, a little bit of extra dressing, and how about that then? That's good enough for any cookbook, in my opinion. It really is. So there you have it. This is my Penzeys Ozark seasoned chicken fillets, glazed with a pomegranate balsamic olive oil garlic dressing. And it's absolutely fabulous. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. Hope you've all enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, it's a great way of supporting us. And please leave me some feedback if you do cook this or try it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And don't forget to smash that like button. That's huge for us. And please tell your friends what's going on with Chef Archie Pie. It's a food revolution and I'm starving and I'm going to get stuck in.